The confrontation began in Washington. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio launched a direct attack on Europe's tech regulators, accusing them of exporting censorship and targeting American speech. Within hours, the United States moved to bar former EU Commissioner Thierry Breton and 4 European activists from entering the country.
For far too long, ideologues in Europe have led organized efforts to coerce American platforms to punish American viewpoints they oppose. The Trump administration will no longer tolerate these egregious acts of extraterritorial censorship. Today, State Dept will take steps to bar leading figures of the global censorship industrial complex from entering the United States. We stand ready and willing to expand this list if others do not reverse course.
The State Department says the 5 individuals led coordinated efforts to pressure US technology companies through Europe's Digital Services Act. Washington calls it a defense of free expression, but Europe sees immigration law being weaponized against regulators and civil society actors. Brussels reacted sharply, demanding clarification and warning of consequences if the move escalates. The European Commission framed the ban as an attack on its right to regulate the digital space. France condemned the ban on Thierry Breton, insisting the EU's tech laws were adopted democratically and do not apply beyond Europe's borders. Paris warned that Europe would not allow Washington to dictate its digital rules.
France strongly condemns the visa restriction imposed by the United States on Thierry Breton, former minister and European Commissioner, and 4 other European figures. The Digital Services Act, DSA, was democratically adopted in Europe to ensure that what is illegal offline is also illegal online. It has absolutely no extraterritorial reach and in no way concerns the United States. The peoples of Europe are free and sovereign and cannot have the rules applying to their digital space imposed on them by others.
Breton dismissed the accusations as ideological persecution, while Germany backed the targeted activists and rejected US claims of censorship. This dispute is rapidly becoming more than a visa row, with Washington threatening to expand the bans and Europe signaling retaliation. Free speech, tech regulation, and sovereignty are colliding. What began as a digital policy fight is now testing the foundations of the US-EU alliance.